The engineer will exit the engine, don the proper PPE, then start the pony pump and remove the gated Y, J-bar, and hose straps. Once at the tailboard, the engineer will place the strap over the receiver post and secure the lower portion of the strap to the grab handle. Then secure the J-bar and attach the gated Y to the rear discharge. Simultaneously, the captain and firefighter will exit the engine and don the proper PPE. The firefighter will remove a single hose pack and either carry it themselves or hand it to the captain. The firefighter will then remove the spare nozzle from the engineer's compartment. Once at the tailboard, the firefighter will remove the two hoses from the hose pack and lay them side by side. Interconnect the two hoses, connect the female to the gated Y and the nozzle to the male end. While holding the nozzle and the center coupling, the firefighter will then advance the hose line. Once at the desired location, the firefighter will call for water and complete the assignment. Once complete with the assignment, the firefighter will call for the water to be shut down. Once the engineer has shut down the water, the firefighter will bleed the line, remove the nozzle, and leave the male end on the ground. The firefighter will proceed to the center of the last hose line and pick it up at the center and proceed to the tailboard. The captain will disconnect the two lines at the center and then proceed back to the tailboard. The engineer will disconnect the female end from the gated Y and carry it to the center of the first hose line. Then drop the female coupling at the center and pick up the center of the first hose line and proceed back to the tailboard. Once at the tailboard, place the center of the hose over the J-bar. Then, load the hose from side to side in a horseshoe shape. Do not loop the hose. This will cause a knot. The hose should not hang below the tailboard. The captain should only guide the hose, and the firefighter and engineer should load the hose. Once the first hose is loaded, put the first hose strap on and connect the female end to the gated Y. The captain can place the next hose over the J-bar and the process can start over again. Once the second hose is loaded, the second strap is put on, the two hoses are connected together, and the nozzle is put on. Be sure that the second strap goes through the nozzle's bail and secures it from falling. Below the loaded hose, first disconnect the buckle. Use your hand to follow the second strap through the hose. Once you have your hand all the way through, lift the entire section off the J-bar and lie it perpendicular to the tailboard. Next, disconnect the second strap and lift off the next section and lie it perpendicular to the tailboard, next to the other hose. Grasp the nozzle in one hand and the coupling in the other and advance the hose. If only 100 feet is needed, you can disconnect the first hose and connect it to the other side of the Y. Strike Team engines are equipped with 2 J-bars and may be outfitted with 200 feet on one side and 100 feet on the other.